Breakfast is a very important meal. It is the first meal of the day, it helps wake up your body, it gives you energy for school, it helps you play and learn. A good breakfast makes your brain work well, it can make you feel happy. It is like fuel for a car. Your body is like a car, it needs fuel to go. So breakfast is super important for everyone, big or small. Sometimes breakfast can be a little boring. Maybe you eat the same thing every day. But breakfast can also be very exciting. Imagine starting your day with a rainbow. Not a rainbow in the sky, but a rainbow on your plate. We are talking about rainbow pancakes. These are not just ordinary pancakes, they are special pancakes. They are full of bright, happy colors. Making them is like a fun art project. Eating them is even more fun. They make breakfast an adventure. Rainbow pancakes can make any morning feel special. They are perfect for a birthday surprise. They are great for a weekend treat. The colors make everyone smile. Little kids love them, even grown-ups find them delightful. To make our amazing rainbow pancakes, we need some simple things. These are things you might already have in your kitchen. First, we need flour. Flour is the main part of our pancakes. We will need about 1.5 cups of plain flour. We also need sugar to make them a little sweet. About 2 tablespoons of sugar will be good. Next, we need baking powder. Baking powder helps the pancakes become fluffy. We will use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We also need a little bit of salt, just half a teaspoon of salt. Now for the wet ingredients. We need 1 egg. The egg helps hold the pancakes together. It also makes them rich. We need milk. About 1.25 cups of milk will make the batter smooth. We also need some melted butter. 2 tablespoons of melted butter will make the pancakes tender. And for a lovely smell and taste, we need vanilla extract. Finally, the most exciting part for rainbow pancakes. We need food coloring. Get ready for the fun! Now it is time to mix everything together. This is the moment where all the individual ingredients come together to create something truly special. This is where the pancake magic starts to happen. The transformation from simple ingredients to delicious batter begins here. First, find a big mixing bowl. This will give you plenty of room to mix without making a mess. This bowl is for our dry ingredients. It's important to keep them separate at first. Put the flour into the big bowl. Flour is the base of our pancake mix. Add the sugar to the flour. Sugar adds a touch of sweetness to our pancakes. Then, add the baking powder. This will help our pancakes rise and become fluffy. And do not forget the little bit of salt. It enhances all the other flavors. Take a whisk or a spoon. Either will work to mix our ingredients. Gently mix these dry things together. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. In another bowl, a medium-sized one, we will mix the wet ingredients. This keeps the textures just right. Crack the egg into this bowl. Pour in the milk. Add the melted butter. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. Make sure the butter is not too hot. We don't want to cook the egg prematurely. Then, add the sweet-smelling vanilla extract. It gives our pancakes a delightful aroma. Whisk these wet ingredients together. Make sure they are well combined. Whisk them until everything is nicely combined. The mixture should be smooth. Now, we will bring the wet and dry ingredients together. This is where the magic really happens. Make a little hole, like a well, in the middle of your dry ingredients. This will help with mixing. Pour the wet mixture from the medium bowl into this well. This method ensures even mixing. Start to mix everything together. Be gentle but thorough. Mix from the center outwards. This helps to incorporate all the ingredients evenly. Try to get all the flour from the sides. We want a smooth, lump-free batter. Mix until the batter is just combined. Overmixing can make the pancakes tough. The batter should be thick but still able to pour. This consistency is key for perfect pancakes. Your basic pancake batter is now ready. Get ready to cook up some delicious pancakes. Our plain pancake batter is ready. It looks good, but it is not a rainbow yet. Now comes the really fun part. We are going to divide the batter. We need to split it into smaller portions. Each portion will become a different color of our rainbow. Think about how many colors you want in your rainbow. Maybe you want 6 colors, like a real rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. That means we need 6 small bowls. Get your small bowls ready. Try to divide the batter evenly among the bowls. You can use a ladle or a measuring cup. This will help make sure you have about the same amount of batter for each color. If you have a little more or less in some bowls, that is okay. It is not a science experiment, it is a fun breakfast adventure. Look at all your little bowls of batter. They are like blank canvases. Soon, they will be full of beautiful colors. This step is important. Get your food coloring ready for the next exciting step. This is where the real magic happens, the moment when our plain batter transforms into a vibrant spectrum of colors. We have our small bowls of plain batter ready to be turned into a colorful masterpiece. Now we will turn them into a rainbow. Each bowl will become a different color. Get your food coloring bottles, make sure you have all the colors you need. We will start with the first color. Let's begin with red. Let us say it is red. Take one small bowl of batter, make sure it's ready for the transformation. Add a few drops of red food coloring to it, just a few drops to start. You can always add more if needed. Food coloring can be very strong, especially the gel kind. Be cautious. You can always add more if you need it. It's easier to add than to take away. Now take a small spoon or a little whisk. We're going to mix it up. Gently stir the food coloring into the batter in that bowl. Stir it well until the color is even. Watch as the plain batter changes color. It's like magic. It will turn into a beautiful red, a vibrant, eye-catching red. If the color is too light, add one more drop. Stir again until it's just right. Keep doing this until you like the shade of red. It should be perfect for your creation. Once your red batter is perfect, move to the next bowl. We're going to make orange next. Let us make orange next. Grab your orange food coloring. Add a few drops of orange food coloring to the second bowl of batter, just like we did with the red. Stir it just like you did with the red. Make sure the color is even. Continue this process for all your colors. Each bowl will be a different color. Yellow, then green, then blue, then purple. Each one a vibrant hue. For each bowl, add the food coloring a little at a time. Stir it well to ensure even coloring. Soon you will have a row of bowls with vibrant colors. A beautiful rainbow ready for the next step. Now our colorful batters are ready. We have a vibrant array of colors to choose from, each one more exciting than the last. It is time to cook our rainbow pancakes. Find a good frying pan or a flat griddle. Make sure it is clean and ready to use. Place it on the stove, ensuring it sits evenly. Turn the heat to medium. This is crucial for even cooking. Not too high or the pancakes will burn quickly and unevenly. Not too low or they will take too long to cook and might not rise properly. Medium heat is just right. It ensures the pancakes cook evenly and get a nice golden color. Let the pan get warm. This usually takes a minute or two. You can add a tiny bit of butter or oil to the pan. This helps in creating a non-stick surface. This stops the pancakes from sticking and adds a bit of flavor. Just a little bit is enough. Too much can make the pancakes greasy. Let us start with our first color. Maybe red. It's a bold and vibrant choice. Take your bowl of red batter. Give it a quick stir to ensure it's well mixed. Pour a little bit of the red batter onto the warm pan. Be gentle to avoid splashes. You can make small pancakes or medium-sized ones. It's up to you. About 1/4 of a cup of batter makes a nice pancake. Adjust the amount based on your preference. Watch the batter spread a little. It should form a nice round shape. Soon you will see little bubbles start to appear on the top of the pancake. This is a good sign. When you see bubbles on the surface and the edges look a bit dry, it is time to flip. Use a spatula for this. Gently slide it under the pancake. Be careful not to tear it. Flip it over quickly and carefully. A smooth flip ensures even cooking. Cook the other side for another minute or two. It should be golden brown. When it is cooked, take it off the pan. Place it on a plate to cool slightly. Now cook the rest of the red batter, then move to the next color. Enjoy the process and have fun with it. All our colorful pancakes are cooked. Look at them. We have red ones, orange ones, yellow ones. We have green, blue, and purple pancakes too. They look so pretty. Now it is time for the most exciting construction project. We are going to build a tower of taste. We will stack our pancakes to make a beautiful rainbow tower. This is where all our hard work comes together. It is like building with colorful, soft blocks. Start with your first color. Maybe you want to follow the order of a real rainbow, so start with a purple pancake on the bottom, or maybe a red one. It is your choice. Place one pancake on a clean plate. This will be the base of your tower. Now choose your next color. If you started with purple, maybe blue comes next. Place a blue pancake carefully on top of the purple one. Keep stacking your pancakes. Add a green one on top of the blue, then a yellow one on top of the green, then an orange one, and finally a red pancake on the very top. Look at your amazing rainbow pancake tower. Making rainbow pancakes is more than just cooking. It can be a wonderful family adventure. There are many ways for everyone to join in the fun. Even little kids can help. Parents can guide them. This makes breakfast time special. It becomes a time for teamwork and creating together. The kitchen becomes a place of joy and learning. It is a great way to spend quality time as a family on a weekend morning. Little children can help with simple tasks. They can help pour the dry ingredients into the bowl. They love to stir things. Give them a spoon and let them help mix the batter. Under supervision, of course. They can also help choose the colors. Ask them which color they want to make next. They will be so excited to see the batter change color. This helps them learn about colors too. It is like a fun science lesson and art class combined. Older kids can do even more. They can help measure the ingredients. They can crack the eggs. They can help divide the batter into the small bowls. The moment we have all been waiting for has arrived. Our beautiful rainbow pancakes are cooked and stacked. They look amazing. Now it is time for the best part, eating them. Gather everyone around the table. Place the magnificent rainbow pancake tower in the center. Or give everyone their own individual stack. Watch their eyes light up. The sight of these colorful pancakes is sure to bring smiles to every face. It is a feast for the eyes first. But how should we eat these wonderful creations? There are so many yummy ways to enjoy them. Classic maple syrup is always a great choice. Drizzle it over the top. Watch it cascade down the colorful layers. Whipped cream is another fantastic topping. A big dollop of fluffy whipped cream on top makes it even more special. It looks like a cloud on your rainbow. You can also add fresh fruits. Sliced strawberries would look lovely with the red pancakes. Blueberries would match the blue and purple layers. Sliced bananas or kiwi fruit are also great options. Rainbow pancakes are a reminder that even simple things like breakfast can be full of joy and wonder.